Hello everyone, Stephen from ChainSawAce. I just want to extend a warm thank you to each and every one of you that took the time to watch our videos this year. I've had so much fun restoring and repairing these old saws and speaking to you guys in the comments, especially you, Frankie. I really enjoy the questions and the stories you guys tell me about the chainsaws that you're working on, as well as the friendly suggestions and tips, because I don't know everything. These saws represent a few of the videos that we've worked on this year, starting with this old Poulan 1800 that was actually made the early 80s in Shreveport, Louisiana, all the way down to this 025 Stihl here that we literally dug out of the earth. The video that was viewed the most by far was this Stihl MS290 that was donated to me a couple years ago by a guy that just didn't want to deal with it anymore. It was extremely dirty and had lots of issues. The next two videos we're releasing are a Husqvarna 55 and an old Stihl 029 Super. And coming up for early 2025, we have a couple of old saws here. This is a 025, I think it is. I don't think it's a 250, I think it's an 025. Actually spotted this out of the corner of my eye. Somebody threw it along the property line probably 15 to 20 years ago. Spotted it when I was cleaning up the shop. Also, we have this old Poulan F. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know anything about this old chainsaw. Some commenters told me that parts are gonna be really hard to source, so we're gonna see what we can find and see what we can do. Any comments, tips, or suggestions about this saw, I'd love to see those in the comments, but this is one that I'm really looking forward to doing. I actually got this saw from a good old boy named Dusty not too far from here, along with a bunch of other chainsaws from this era. If you would like to see that video where we actually source these saws, that video link will be in the description. And now it's time to share some news with you guys. So you may have been wondering where I've been for about the past 6 months. Well, decided to close our business. Many of you may know that I am in the outdoor power equipment business, or was, I shall say. We've been in business for right around 50 years, me and my father together. He's disabled and getting older, so we decided it was time to close for him and for me, wanting to pursue new adventures. For the past 6 months, I've been shuttering the business, actually sold the building and the land, and getting him into a place where he can live comfortably within his environment, his living space. That's why I've been away. That being said, I am super excited for what lays ahead for me when it comes to this YouTube channel, because I'm going to be focusing a lot of energy and time into this. And what I mean by new adventures, I'm talking about slowing down a little bit, taking time to take a deep breath and enjoy life and spend time with my family. And I guess it is my family here too. This is Pippi and BB Chubbs. I spent so much time away at the shop. It pulled me away from my family, and I just want to get back to that, spending time at home with them and taking some time to enjoy life. Look guys, I can't say it from the bottom of my heart enough. Thanks so much for coming along with us on this journey and trying to build this ChainSawAce community. Happy Thanksgiving from ChainSawAce, and we'll see you soon.